So it's basically the same kind of problem that we have here. Like if we had, let's see, let me take a closer look at 16 and see if it's, yeah, okay, it's liters. Okay, so in this case, for a problem like 16, let's say that we have 4.5 liters, and we want to know how many cubic centimeters that is. Alright, well in this case, you have to go from liters to, and this we have to go from liters to, because milliliters is equivalent to centimeters cubed, right? We have to go from liters to milliliters, and then milliliters to cubic centimeters. Okay? So here we have 4.5 liters. Okay? And we want to go from liters to milliliters. Well, here's our conversion right here. So do we want 1 liter over 1,000 milliliters or 1,000 milliliters over 1 liter? The second one, right, because we want the liter units to cancel. So that's 1,000 milliliters over 1 liter, and here's our physically cancel those units out. So since we're multiplying 1,000, we know that it gets larger, right? So that means we have 4, 5, and so we're moving that decimal point 3 places, right? So how many zeros are we going to have? 2. Good, because we got it 1 place behind the 5. So that'll be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 milliliters. But we're not done yet, right? Because now we have to convert from, well, we don't have to multiply anything. We have to convert milliliters, right? Milliliters to centimeters cubed. So that means our answer is going to be what?
4,500. What is that? C3.
Centimeters
cm3
cubed. Yeah. 3. The third exponent. I mean, yeah. Units cubed to the third power. That's always units cubed. 2, when it's the second power, that's always squared.
So you never cube anything actually. You just don't know.
Yeah, that's right. You're not mathematically cubing anything. This is cubic centimeters. Here's 1 centimeter, right?
Yeah.
Cubic centimeter would be length, width, height. So you're talking about like a cube.
Okay, so
Like a, yeah, like a sugar cube, right? Yeah, it's a so that would be the same thing. 1 cubic centimeter, which is, that's a very small, about half of a sugar cube, right? Small sugar cube. Think of it that way. Is, so if we were looking at it, let's say that was 1 centimeter, right? So width, height, I'm trying to, so that would, if you took a centimeter and did length, width, height, right, that would be equivalent to 1, this is 1 cubic centimeter, so that would be equivalent to 1 milliliter. Okay. Alright. But all you need to know is just that your answer is 4,500 cubic centimeters. And that's what, so that would be, sounds to me like that's what CC would be, cubic centimeters.
So 1 milliliter is equivalent to what?
1 milliliter equivalent to 1 cubic centimeter, and that's equivalent to 1 cc. I'm not 100% sure that cc means cubic centimeters, but I would say it's a pretty good guess that it probably is. Okay, so you want to keep that in the corner along with your conversion table.
So he bought like a soda in England, so we like some the conversion, this is what it is.
Usually the medical field uses cc's, like for a shot, you know, like for a syringe. So we teach nursing, Math 110, which is measurement, gets into medical measurements, and they get into cc's there, so that might be why we're using it here. Alright. Okay. Any other questions with that? Alright. Let's go on to a new page.